Check out this super chic and compact modular tiny house. The tour kicks off with its sleek, white exterior and those big glass sliding doors that really connect the inside with the beautiful yard outside. Once you step in, you're greeted by a bright and airy open studio design. In the main area, you've got a comfy sleeping space that flows into a cozy living room, complete with a small sofa and a TV. The kitchen is equipped with lovely wooden cabinets, a shiny stainless steel fridge, and all the modern gadgets you need. One standout feature is the clever barn door that saves space and leads to the private bathroom. This bathroom is all about modern style, with a nice vanity, a toilet, and a sleek walk-in shower that has a linear drain. This tiny home really shows that you can live stylishly without needing a ton of space.